How to turn off or turn on silence unknown caller on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and then move into apps. Inside apps, look for the application phone. Once you find it, click on it. It will land you on the space. Scroll all the way down to the bottom once again, and you'll see the option or the feature where it says Silence Unknown Callers. You need to click on it. Well, right now you can see that the Silence Unknown Caller mode is turned off, which means that calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail and displayed on the recent list. And if you want to turn it on, simply toggle on this button. Right now you can see that it has been turned on. Now the incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls and Siri suggestions. So this is simply how you can turn on or turn off silence caller mode on iPhone. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.